Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or help solve Spotify listen along delay. To know how to fix or help solve Spotify listen along delay, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will enter to the window of Spotify. Then here in this list you will go to the window of first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.